Here we go. Ready.
Ready.
Delicious.
Dinosaur. Prepare your butt cheeks.
Fantastic! Today we are here in Sterling Heights, Michigan, and we're here at the Lebanese Grill and another Will. There's two Wills. It's got to be interesting if there's going to be two Wills in this vlog. You guys ready?
Yeah.
In town, so they had they're here, right? Oh, there you go. Now this what is this exactly? I've had dreams of this. I've had dreams of this. The salad is very oniony though. Oniony. The salad is very oniony. I guess that's a word. I love it. It tastes good. I'm not sure what it is. I don't know the names or anything. I just know it tastes good. Give me some of this and give me some.
I was like, yum, yum, I gotta get me some that meat.